friends, here's a robot dance game. It's kind of silly because robots don't walk like we do, where we walk kind of smoothly. They move more kind of stiff and sharp and strong. So here's some directions of things you can do. And here's the movements. You can walk in a rectangle, which is the shape, walk in a triangle shape, jump 3 times, 4 steps to the side, walk in a circle, walk in a square. So these are really good at practicing your shapes. 2 steps forward, which are directions, 1 giant step to the side, turn around to the right, turn around to the left. So that's learning our directions, which is kind of a little hard for us. So maybe you want to put those to the side for now. Spin in a circle, take 5 tiny steps, which are small. Use your arms to make a square. Robot move of your choice. Robot move of your choice. Robot move of your choice. So you can put these and then pick them up and decide which one you have to do. You can do like 3 in a row or 5 in a row. Put on some music and have fun with this. Bye, friends.